Good evening, children. This is Lavanya. Today we're going to see about our galaxy. In this, I'm going to share some interesting facts. I think everybody will like this topic. Okay, let me enter into the topic. Galaxy is a huge collection of gas, dust, and stars held together by gravity. This is the definition of the galaxy. And we have three types of galaxy. In the middle, I will discuss one more type also, but it will not come under the regular type. So, three types of galaxy is nothing but elliptical, spiral, and regular. And before I enter into the types discussion, let me share two interesting galaxy facts. From the southern hemisphere of Earth, two other galaxies can be seen with naked eye. The galaxies' names are Andromeda Galaxy and Milky Way Galaxy. Our galaxy is the Milky Way Galaxy. It is a spiral galaxy. First type is elliptical galaxy. Let me discuss about the shape of this. It is elliptical or oval shaped disk. The light is smooth with the surface brightness as you go further out from the center. And E0 will be the perfectly circular and E7 is very flattened. And elliptical galaxies have no particular axis of rotation. The second type is irregular as per our discussion, but before that I'll just give some introduction. It is an intermediate S0 galaxy. It is an intermediate type of galaxy. It have a huge and bulge and thin disk, but are different from a SA because they have no spiral structure. S0 galaxies are also known as lenticular galaxies. Irregular galaxies have two groups, first group and second group. The first group, which are young odd stars, and second group simply seem to have large amount of dust. It will not allow to see the star's light. That is a major drawback in that. To see distant star, it is almost impossible in the irregular galaxy. And fourth type is spiral galaxies. It have three main components: bulge, disk, and halo. An halo contains old cluster that is called as globular clusters. Our sun is located in the arm. You can see in the picture, black color picture which is present of our galaxy. The Milky Way, the halo of a galaxy is a loose and spherical structure located around the bulge and some of the disk. And next slide is about our sun. It takes around 250 million years to orbit the galaxy. This means that it has already made about 20 orbits around the galaxy since it was born. In an interesting way, we all orbit around a black hole, the one in the galactic center of the Milky Way, Sagittarius. You can see the picture, the black hole picture, and the next I'm going to show supermassive black holes. Next slide is about the Milky Way is full of toxic sticky grease. So you can see the picture, it is sticky grease, probably it is pretty sticky. And one more important point I'm going to discuss in this last slide. This space grease, actually an oily form of hydrogen bound carbon called alipathic carbon, is one of the several types of carbon leaked into an empty space by blazing the stars, and may be among the key ingredient in the form of formation of new stars and planets. Thank you, children. Please do subscribe and share it.